Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video on Europe in Detail. Today, we're exploring Istanbul, the breathtaking city that straddles two continents and has a history unlike anywhere else on Earth. Get ready to discover 48 fascinating and unique facts that will make you fall in love with this incredible city. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Istanbul is the only city in the world that sits on two continents, Europe and Asia. This makes it a true melting pot of cultures, traditions, and architecture. Number 2. It was once called Byzantium, then Constantinople, before becoming Istanbul. This city has been the capital of three great empires, the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. Number 3. Hagia Sophia is one of Istanbul's most famous landmarks. Originally a church, then a mosque, then a museum, and now a mosque again, it has been standing for over 1,500 years. Number 4. The Grand Bazaar is one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, with over 4,000 shops selling everything from carpets to jewelry. Some families have run their shops here for generations. Number 5. Istanbul has a hidden basilica cistern under the city, built by the Byzantines to store water. It's a mystical underground world with ancient Medusa head statues supporting the columns. Number 6. The Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmed Mosque, is named after the stunning blue tiles that decorate its interior. It's one of the only mosques in the world with 6 minarets. Number 7. The Bosphorus Strait divides the city into European and Asian sides, making Istanbul one of the busiest maritime routes in the world. It also means that you can literally have breakfast in Europe and dinner in Asia, even without leaving the city. Number 8. The city's street food is legendary. Simit, a sesame-covered bread, balik ekmek, fish sandwiches by the water, and midye dolma, stuffed mussels, are must-tries for any food lover. Number 9. The Topkapi Palace was home to Ottoman sultans for nearly 400 years. Inside, there's a treasure room filled with priceless jewels, ancient artifacts, and even the Prophet Muhammad's cloak and sword. Number 10. The Galata Tower offers one of the most stunning 360-degree views of Istanbul. It was originally built in 1348 and has been used as a watchtower, a fire lookout point, and even a prison. Number 11. Turkish tea is a huge part of daily life in Istanbul. Locals drink it all day long, often in tiny tulip-shaped glasses. Number 12. The Spice Bazaar is a paradise for the senses. It's filled with colorful spices, dried fruits, nuts, and exotic sweets like Turkish delight, lokum. Number 13. The Bosphorus Bridge, connecting Europe and Asia, lights up beautifully at night and is one of the most iconic spots in the city. Number 14. Istanbul's cats are famous worldwide. The city is home to thousands of stray cats, and locals treat them like royalty. Some even have their own Instagram pages. Number 15. The Rumeli Fortress, built in just 4 months in 1452, played a crucial role in the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople. Number 16. The Prince's Islands are a hidden paradise just a short ferry ride from Istanbul. Cars are not allowed, so people travel by bicycle or horse-drawn carriages. Number 17. Istanbul's Tulip Festival in April is a breathtaking sight, with millions of colorful tulips decorating parks across the city. Fun fact, tulips originally come from Turkey, not the Netherlands. Number 18. The Kamlika Mosque, completed in 2019, is the largest mosque in Turkey and can hold up to 63,000 worshippers at once. Number 19. The Golden Horn is a natural harbor that has been used for centuries by traders and fishermen. Number 20. Ortaköy Mosque, right on the Bosphorus, is one of the most photogenic spots in Istanbul, especially at sunset. Number 21. Turkish coffee is UNESCO listed as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Drinking it is a centuries-old tradition, and some people even tell fortunes from the coffee grounds left in the cup. Number 22. The Chora Church, known for its breathtaking Byzantine mosaics and frescoes, is one of the most underrated sites in Istanbul. Number 23. The Egyptian obelisk in Sultanahmet Square was originally carved in Egypt over 3,000 years ago and later brought to Constantinople by the Romans. Number 24. The Turkish bath, hammam, tradition goes back to Roman times, and Istanbul has some of the oldest and most luxurious bathhouses in the world. Number 25. The Cihangir neighborhood is known as the hipster side of Istanbul, filled with cute cafes, street art, and a creative vibe. Number 26. Istanbul has a whistling language. In some villages along the Black Sea coast, people use a unique whistling communication called kuş dili, meaning bird language. Number 27. Turkish ice cream, dondurma, is famous not just for its chewy texture, but for the hilarious street performances by ice cream vendors, who trick customers by pulling away their cones before handing them over. Number 28. The Maiden's Tower, a small tower on an island, has a legendary love story tied to it and is now one of the most romantic spots in Istanbul. Number 29. Istanbul has the world's second oldest underground metro. Opened in 1875, the Tunnel funicular still operates today, connecting Karaköy and Beyoğlu in just 90 seconds. Number 30. The Galata Mevlevi House is one of Istanbul's oldest whirling dervish lodges. Visitors can watch the mesmerizing Sufi dance ceremony, where dervishes spin in a trance-like state as part of a spiritual ritual. Number 31. The Dolmabahçe Palace is twice the size of Buckingham Palace and features a chandelier weighing 4.5 tons, made entirely of Bohemian crystal. Number 32. The Kumpir Street in Ortaköy is famous for its over-the-top stuffed baked potatoes. Locals pile them high with cheese, pickles, corn, and a variety of sauces for the ultimate comfort food. Number 33. Istanbul is home to the biggest shopping mall in Europe, the Mall of Istanbul, featuring over 350 stores, an indoor amusement park, and even a snow park for year-round winter fun. Number 34. The Valens Aqueduct, built by the Romans in the 4th century, is still standing tall in the heart of the city. It once supplied water to Constantinople for over 1,500 years. Number 35. Istanbul's Fener and Balat districts are filled with rainbow-colored houses, narrow streets, and centuries-old synagogues and churches. Perfect spot for photographers and history lovers. Number 36. The Pierre Loti Café offers some of the best panoramic views of the Golden Horn. Named after a French novelist who fell in love with Istanbul, it's the perfect spot to sip Turkish tea while watching the sunset. Number 37. Istanbul has its own version of the Eiffel Tower. The Kamlika Tower, standing at 369 meters, is the tallest structure in Turkey and offers jaw-dropping city views. Number 38. Istanbul is famous for night cruises on the Bosphorus, where you can sail past palaces and mosques illuminated against the night sky. Number 39. The German fountain in Sultanahmet Square was a gift from the German Kaiser Wilhelm II to the Ottoman Sultan. Some say he hoped it would strengthen political ties and gain access to the Ottoman Empire's oil reserves. Number 40. Istanbul has a secret underground tunnel that connects Asia and Europe by train. The Marmaray Tunnel, opened in 2013, runs beneath the Bosphorus and is one of the deepest underwater tunnels in the world. Number 41. The Sirkeci train station was the final stop of the legendary Orient Express, once carrying the rich and famous from Paris to Istanbul in ultimate luxury. Number 42. The Pera Palace Hotel was built specifically to house guests of the Orient Express, and Agatha Christie wrote Murder on the Orient Express while staying in room 411. Number 43. Istanbul once had a 24/7 camel postal service. In the Ottoman era, special camel couriers transported mail across the empire, and some old post offices still bear traces of camel parking spaces. Number 44. The first recorded use of a fire brigade in history was in Constantinople in the 4th century. The city's first organized firefighting force was called the Buka, meaning bucket team. Number 45. The Istanbul Archaeology Museum is home to the Alexander sarcophagus, a beautifully preserved tomb from the 4th century BC once believed to have belonged to Alexander the Great. Number 46. The underground salt caves of Istanbul were once used for food storage in ancient times. Today, they are a unique hidden attraction for history buffs. Number 47. Istanbul has a city-wide ferry culture. More than 500,000 people take ferries daily, making it one of the most scenic commutes in the world. Number 48. And last but certainly not least, the Beylerbeyi Palace, a stunning Ottoman summer residence, is famous for its opulent interiors, crystal chandeliers, and a royal swimming pool inside the palace. And that's a wrap. 48 incredible and inspiring facts about the magical city of Istanbul. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give us a like. And please, share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest adventures on Europe in Detail. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.